Okay, so this is how to iron your cadet uniform. Today we're doing the shirt. So this is what you need. You need an iron, a pillowcase or ironing cloth made out of cotton, and an ironing board, obviously. So for the shirt I don't use a cloth, but you can use it if you want. It works both ways. So first thing I do is I get rid of all the creases around the back and everything. So I'll go all around the shirt. So as you can see, I'm doing the back right now. So if they don't disappear, you can just wash your shirt. That usually gets rid of them. So you don't want to go on the buttons though, or else they will melt, and you don't want that to happen. So you just go all over the shirt. Here there should be no creases. The only place there should be creases is on the sleeves at a specific point. So okay, so now for the creases, you have to put them, if you put your shoulder flash and you put it, split it in two, you should be able to have a crease, a straight crease that goes all the way down. So your shoulder, your shoulder flash, where you put your rank, well that's the place where you would like separate it, like flip it in two and then iron on top. So you have to do that for both sleeves. So trick is to put lots of pressure and steam, but you also want to move so you don't burn your uniform.